Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1, made by Hasbro, Level 2, dim lit. So dim lit appearing as a little flashlight. So yeah, his role is Forgetful Flashlight Explorer. Okay, what do you notice that's a problem on it? One, he should be bright because he's a flashlight, yet he's not. Two, if he's a forgetful flashlight, why did they, in the Lost Spots, make him, an explorer or a scout class? Or, a scout, like how Bumblebee is a scout, Cheetor was a scout from Beast Wars, I guess a little bit from Beast Machines. Like, why would you put a forgetful bot in charge of exploring or scouting out the area? I mean, that just not make any sense. Putting a forgetful bot in charge of, hey, go scout the area, go see if there's any hidden traps or any bad guys out there. Instead of sending, anyone else like their leader, which is kind of like, I guess, SERiES Optimus Prime or Nemesis Prime, was, I think later became Slud or Slade. No, Surge. I don't know, his name kept getting changed all the time. Then I think it was Worldmaster or something for one series. I don't know. Then you got Optimus Burger Prime. I think that's a toy ball plunger. Bonsai. Whatever the heck that thing is. And then there's Dimlet. Which they finally are using him as a flashlight to light the way. And then you got Phosphoratu. But yeah. Just doesn't seem like it makes a lot of sense. I mean, if anything, send Bonsai in. He would make a little more sense. Or Phosphoratu. But, yeah, Dimwat. No, I mean dim lit, not dim watt, dim lit. So yeah, the instructions say take dim lit, but you can see there's the on and off switch. Does not work. Now looking at it from the top kind of looks weird. It kind of looks almost like a shower head or a microphone, but apparently that's how the flashlight would be. If it was me, I'd just keep it like nice and smooth and put a little piece of yellow in there to make it look like a flashlight. Or a piece of white, like this yellowish white, to make it like, oh look, it's a little flashlight, but yeah, they don't want to do that. So here's the instructions. So they actually say hold it like this and turn the head. So the head can be turned 360 degrees, but where it's not really the head, it's just the cover. So yeah, you do that. Then of course they say reach in there and pull out the little arms. And we are going to twist them up like this. And finally pull down the feet. You just do it like that, and there is Dimlet in all its little bot glory. Not a bad little figure, I'll say. I mean, the face is pretty accurate to what we see here in the paper, or accurate-ish. I mean, here they show he has yellow eyes and a yellow mouth, and yet, well, here they show it's all like black, with a little bit of blue underneath the eyes, but okay, in there. Yellow, yellow, and here it shows black and blue, so okay. But yeah, but what I like about this little bot is he actually is the first bot to really have actual hands. Now his hands doesn't go all the way through, because I mean if you look at the top, you kind of see like it's a little cup. So if they made like a little mini micro gun, which I bet you could probably 3D print one, it would be hard to get in there. What would probably make it easier is taking a little X-Acto knife or a pin vise. And if you don't know what a pin vise is, a pin vise is just a little tiny hand drill. And kind of go in there and drill it out. That would be my advice, so that, you can hold a little weapon and then still be able to morph back and transform into a little flashlight. But yeah, that has been the unboxing of Hasbro's. Let's get the cancer photos here. Hasbro Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1 blind boxes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.